Assalamu alaikum, every beautiful souls. Tell me something. Why do we humans love bad news more than good news? If someone says a scholar gave a beautiful lecture, hardly anyone shares it. But if someone whispers, "Did you hear that? He was pregnant or he had AIDS," it suddenly spreads. Recently, the name of Dr. Zakir Naik has been dragged into such a rumor. People are forwarding messages saying he and his family, his daughter, have AIDS, HIV positive. No proof, no evidence, just talking. Islam says just forwarding without checking makes us also being part of this lie. Imagine tomorrow someone spreads a rumor about your health, about your family, about your honor. Wouldn't it crush you? Yet we forget the same pain when we spread it about others. In the end, whether you agree with Zakir Naik or not, Islam commands us to respect dignity and not spread falsehood. If he is healthy, these rumors are a grave sin. And if he is sick, then this is worse, to mock or celebrate someone's illness. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cure him if he is ill and cure all those who are suffering across the world. Ameen.